Th.Basantakumar Fongdokibada Tourism Festival Pangthokpa Matamda Yumthangnaba Nagaland gi Hornbill Festival ga Matam Kanadana Sangai Festival Pangthokpa asi yamna miyeng shanba CM gi plan ni aduga aikhoi gi pothok tourist asing asina leikhinaba amade mafam sida laklaga mafam sigi chinjak sing pizaduna mahau khangan khibanaba leiriba fajaraba mafam sing yenghan khinaba art and culture show yenghanaba hotnaba yamna maru oi cultural show gi function later de cultural show una Fangdaba asi Chayol Amada, Thangza Nomaizing Numit Nini Utuna promote Taunana Bahonaragadi Yamna Fagane, Housikti Mapal lamgi miyoising tourist sing lakpadasu akiba leitare adunaTourism chaokhatnaba hotnarasi haike.
People from all over the world, when a tourist when a Manipur plan to lakanda, Nagaland laki kan kata Manipur sun agi oramba, Manipur laki kan Nagaland se over aduna sigi circuit same base. It's very, very important, and we must give credit to our Honorable Chief Minister for having thought about this and implemented it. And this year, I think, the Sangai Festival se adukumatik Bazana celebrate Togani Haibado Hazabagulana Nai Thamzari, Honorable CM Sir and Honorable Chairman of the Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited. Since this year's theme is rethinking tourism, my humble suggestion and request, Amanina Tabzage, Honorable Sir Yogi Rignina, in charge of tourism, Manipur Dasu tourism circuit same as I think maybe it's underway, but I'm not aware. But I think it must be underway. Akwigi Manipur tourism na lakmatamda 3-4 days spent over minimum 2-3 days to maybe 5-6 days. Maduda kuna tourist circuit se kuna sembiraga hotel da masigi booklet phunga nasi 1 day gi tourist na hotel classic dagi aikoi gi laaga maibam lok puchingda historic oiba museum yengbana sigi history khangaga ngak potharaga cha thaga next to Moirang Sendra da lunch toraga next to Chuchanpur chalaga smaina tourist circuit ama semba. And likewise, Imphal to Ukhrul, Imphal to all these, separate Andhro heresy. Sige me amze state ki hoina, ekoina phajana organized to biraga, to bita arbai di.